Okay, little tutorial.
And now, just $1.09. The convenience stores of speed.
It's the bomb word. And I did cover my bomb threat in smart alien language called Mew, Mew, which in computer language sounds like a bomb. That's because it's dangerous, and it's not highly valued as dangerous, because it's like as annoying as sound, but it does hurt. Disorders, like any disease, are being discovered as inventions, as me, you. Bang the
This ad is 30 seconds long.
gavel twice, and it's to create order. Why does it create such disorder?
Unless you are using QuickBooks Smart Invoicing.
2.
Then here are 3 things you can do. Invoice 1.
Insist.
Send. Invoice 2. Send. And invoice 3. Send.
Now, I is Rastafarian language, and in traditional, perhaps growing offensive to me now, language, one of the things the blacks are common with is knowing subconscious, one of their character traits. Now, of course, we want to resist stereotypes as non-expectant, just because they have a certain make and model. Do not assume that they have been to Rome.
And where every bolt, stitch, and line of code is tested and tested again.
I'll check, honey. I said I'd stop the honey, replace it. If you've got a bad habit, try. Sometimes it is not possible.
Best offers of the year. Ford, built for the holidays. Built Ford proud. Best-in-class towing and payload when properly configured. Classes light-duty pickups under 8,500 pounds.
8716, are you here to warn me about my bomb threat? I'm tired of this conservative house. What are you, a mole?
You do that at the Home Depot, where you'll be surrounded by a wonder-inducing selection of fresh-cut trees and greenery.
My dad is a mole for the Vatican.
Home Depot will net it and load it in your car for you. Or, if you want one brought to your door, you can order your live tree online and it will be delivered free. Fresh-cut trees and greenery. This is how we owe Christmas.
It doesn't always follow suit, you know. Someone may say something unexpected. Expect the unexpected when you meet a make and model, please. Your vehicle does matter somewhat, and yet every vehicle is capable of driving. There's minimums and maximums with it.
Go to libertymutual.com for a customized quote and you could save.
Orphan clause with the blacks, please. Antoinette, now that you're a world traveler, can't you admit if you had a little black baby and you treated him like the default, wouldn't he really provide everything that that little orphan had in him? Given his environment, nature versus nurture. Of course, every white person wants to claim the wisdom of a king and practically fools them these days that they have the same make and model.
No other test brings family stories to life like Ancestry DNA. With over 350 region results, there are 2 times the geographic detail of other DNA tests. For a limited time, Ancestry DNA is on sale for $59. Visit Ancestry.com/gift.